everyone! Kamusta? My name is Shayo. Again with me is Raven. I know you missed her. I also did. Actually, na-miss ko rin kayo guys. It's been a quick 2 weeks no since my last video, and it's been very busy for quite some time for me, and I actually went out of the country again. So kakagaling ko lang ng Singapore, and it was a great holiday trip with my family this time. So nag-enjoy kami going to all of the scenes, no, yung sa mga pinupuntahan ng mga visitors. I was with my nephews and nieces, and it was my first time being the talagang tourist no sa Singapore, and I really enjoyed yung time namin. So we went to Universal Studios, of course, in Singapore. We also went to the River Safari, and of course we were able to see yung mga typical na tourist sites kagaya ng Marina Bay Sands, of course, and yung Gardens by the Bay. We particularly enjoyed this trip together with my mga pamangkins dahil it was also a launch ng Inside Out 2 movie, and it was a very good experience kung ano yung parang mga installations na ginawa nila dun sa Gardens by the Bay. So nakakatuwa, both kids and adults. Kaya if you were there no during that time, I'm sure you also enjoyed your time as well. So in this video, I really wanted to talk to you about what are the things you can do if you have a partner. No, meaning meron kayong wholesale partners and they want to resell or they want to sell the items specific to what you do. So what we do with my business in Philly Dot Pins is really make sure that we create astounding products, amazing products for everyone to enjoy. So sa ngayon, we're really expanding yung lines namin on ref magnets, keychains, yung mga merchandises for companies. Nandun pa rin tayo sa space ng mga company giveaways. Now, if you focus more yung discussion natin around merchandise items ng mga companies, so gumagawa kami ng mga products specific to merchandise products. And we also want to make sure na yung partners namin can also profit the same way as we profit as well. So dito pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung tamang price na pwede natin ibigay sa mga partners natin, kung paano magiging win-win situation for both. And of course, we want to make sure na yung products na ibinebenta natin will also be sellable for our partners as well. So I hope you're really into this type of discussions dahil marami tayong mapag-uusapan dito. So the first idea here is to make sure na okay ba sa ating kumita ng maliit. So karamihan ng mga partners natin, of course, they want to make their costs down, di ba? So kailangan pababaan ng presyo, and usually bilang isang supplier, yun talaga yung nagiging panlaban ng mga karamihan natin sa market. And in my case, dahil gusto ko rin maka-close ng mga projects with my customers as well, I also want to make sure that I can trim down some of the excess expenses na usually pinapatong ko sa mga buyers natin. Most of the time, what happens is, whenever we have some expenses na kailangan talaga nating makuha, and unfortunately, some of the things talagang tumataas na rin ang presyo ngayon, price hikes and also yung cost of labor, then kailangan natin yung maipatong sa mga products natin. Unfortunately, some of our buyers cannot really afford yung mga quotations natin, and they will say na talagang kailangan nating mapababa yung price natin. So here comes a difficult choice for you bilang isang business owner. Do you want to close a sale with your partner pero mababa yung kita mo, or nothing at all, di ba? Unfortunately, mahirap magbenta ng palugi dahil you also want to make sure that you can prolong the business as well. And of course, you want to prolong the relationship also. Meron talagang good balance in terms of putting the right price sa mga products na ginagawa ninyo. Alamin ninyo kung saan part ng product ninyo pwede nyo pang tanggalin yung mga excessive expenses ninyo, and make sure that talagang magre-reflect yan to your customers or to your partners as well. I would always say, pipiliin ko pa rin na kumita ako ng konti than not to have a sale at all. Pangalawa naman dyan is more on both dapat kumita. So guys, imagine, Kung magbebenta tayo ng mga product na let's say 500 pesos, most of the end customers hindi nakakayanin yung ganun kataas na presyo para sa mga items na ginagawa natin. Kailangan talaga dito is to make sure that you can understand yung pinaka-customers nila, know their budget, alamin ninyo yun. If you don't know, ask. Di ba? Dito, kailangan talaga both of you kumita din. Now, some of you may be wondering, Rayo, paano kapag medyo mataas naman yung presyo na binibigay ng aking partner dun sa kanilang mga customers? Let's say for example, makukuha nila yung product at 100 pesos of cost, tapos binibenta nila ito at 1,000 pesos. Guys, at that point, I cannot say na kailangan taasan rin ninyo yung presyo ninyo dahil meron tayong brand identity na pinoprotektahan. Ito yung company natin and we wanna make sure na hindi rin tayo talaga magiging greedy dun sa mga pricing na gagawin natin for our partners. If for example, yung partner natin mismo, medyo mataas na yung kanilang pricing for their end buyers or yung kanilang customers, no? Sa kanila na yon. Fortunately for them, na-establish na nila yung kanilang pangalan. Guys, dito, you really have to make sure na aalamin mo rin, be humble talaga kung ano yung presyo na para sa iyo at yung presyo na pwede mong i-offer para sa mga customers mo. Guys, kapag hindi happy yung partners mo with the pricing na ibibigay mo rin sa kanila, at the end of the day, wala kayong mako-close na deal. And unfortunately, magkahanap ka ng bagong partner dahil you have to make sure that you can prolong your own business habang sila, meron silang sariling business na talagang nagra-run na rin ng malaki na, di ba? So, does that make sense, guys? In line with this is really the last part, which is more on resellability of the products that you're selling to your partners and your partners to their customers. Medyo magulo ba? So, dito guys, you have to understand, no? You also have to make sure na alam ninyo yung price na pwedeng ilagay ng mga partners ninyo for the products na ginagawa ninyo. So, let's say for example, yun nga yung kagaya kanina, if they're gonna sell it at 1,000 pesos, kailangan yung 1,000 pesos product na yun will really speak for itself na 1,000 siya. Kapag nakita ng kanilang end customers na 1,000 pesos yung price tag and yet the product itself doesn't speak for 1,000 pesos, then definitely hindi rin yan mabibili ng mga end customers nila. Kahit na babayaran pa kayo ng partners ninyo, that would only be a one-time deal and hindi ganun ang magandang business. You have to make sure na meron kayong repeat buy, repeat engagement, and repeat projects for the products that you're selling, and also yung lineup ng mga products na available for you as well as the business owner. Iisipin lang talaga ninyo, no, kapag meron kayong business, you have to protect yung sarili ninyong core. You have to be true to who you are as a business owner, and make sure guys na aalamin mo rin kung sino yung pinaka-buyers and partners ninyo. Medyo marami pa talaga tayong kailangan malaman in having your own business. And you know, when we expand, mas dumadami rin yung mga kailangan nating malaman. And it's really good to ask questions as well. Kapag kailangan ninyo ng help in terms of how you can navigate through having your own business, or perhaps knowing more about engagements with your partners as well, you can always send a message sa aking Facebook page. I conduct a one-on-one session with business owners as well. These are not something na talagang out of the box really, pero it really makes sense kapag nandun na kayo sa situation na yun. So if ever that you're looking for someone to talk to and someone to discuss and throw your ideas with, you can always send a message sa akin. Guys, I hope nakatulong tong video na to. Si Raven ay medyo antok-antok pa rin. Please support this channel guys. Medyo busy lang talaga these days, but I'm really trying my best para makapag-upload din ng mga videos na kagaya na to. So give this video a like and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat guys and we'll see you sa susunod na clip. Bye-bye!